Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can actually rotate the image. We can rotate the photograph. So this is one of the interview question also, and it is very simple, and I can show you how we can do that. So for this, we need this pillow module that you can install using pip install pillow, right? What steps we need to follow? We just need to open the image with the library, and then we will rotate the image using rotate method with the angle to rotate, and then we will just save and close the image. That's it. So let's go to the VS Code. So I have already created one Python file image underscore rotation.py and have already imported image class from the PIL module. PIL refers to pillow module only, and the name of the photo I have given photo to invert, and the photo which gets rotated I have given name as inverted photo 1.jpg. Right, I can show you the photo. So this is the photo we want to invert. Let's suppose I want to give 180 degree of angle. So I want this image to rotate by 180 degree. So how we can achieve that, I'll show you. You can take any angle from 0 to 360. It's okay. This is at the same location where my Python file is. So let's get started. Now what we need to do, we need to open this image. I will take a variable name image, then call this image class, and from image class we will call the open method. And here we will provide the input path, which is the name of my photo, right, with their path. If you have this image somewhere else, you can give the absolute path, no issues, right? Now the image is open. We will take another variable rotate image. Let me correct the spelling. Rotate image. Now what we need to do, from image we need to call rotate, and I want to rotate it by 180 degree. That's it. Now we need to save this rotate image. How we can do that? Rotate image dot save with what name? Output path, the inverted photo one, because I want to invert the image, right? And that's it. And then we need to close this image dot close. Now let's save this and run this, and let's print it also once, that image updated, image, I'll say image rotated, right? Save this again and run this. Image rotated is printed. Let's go back to the location. Now you can see the image is rotated here, right? So this is how you can actually rotate an image. If you want to give some other angle, you can do that. Let's try it with 60 degree this time, right? So I'll give, instead of 180, 60, and inverted photo 2 to the new image name. Save this and run this. Image rotated. Let's go back to the folder. So you can see the image is rotated by 60 degree. So this is how you can actually rotate an image, and this is one of the interview question. Hope this helps. Thank you.